welcome to my video. Today we will be playing Stumble Guys, and this is a game which I have not played for like 2 months. And so sorry for now. I am uploading very late because I hadn't uploaded. I think sorry. I think I guess March or something. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's go. And by the way, it is 10:20 and this is Squeezer. Okay, let's go. This is new one address, double T. I'm very good at Broaddash. I've learned some tricks also, like this one. Here. And this one. And this. Oh my god, it didn't happen with me. Oh my god. I almost died. 60. Okay, let's show you my trick. I will go over here. Oh no. This is my second trick. And my third trick. Oh my god. 10 people have been eliminated. Come. Oh my god. I did that on purpose. Let's go to again to party. Oh my god, this couldn't happen. And guys, this is a trip. I am doing a tip and trick video after this, and I will show you some tricks in this. So watch till the last. Okay. The first trick is you have to go to one player, that is you, and clear all. Do clear all. Do over and under. Okay, and then start. Look what I did. Okay. And these tricks. I will do. These tricks are very fast, so you can be first in the over and under. And second trick I will show you in the Broaddash endless. And first you have to practice. Go away here and do like this. It will buy some time. Oh my god, and now go up here and jump at this one. Like this. And you can flag there. Either you can do this, or you have to go on the yellow thing and jump and dash. Broaddash and this one is this. And now let's pick banana guy. If you have banana, guys, now go into the shop and do a spin. And when you have done this spin, you go to customize and take legendary and take the banana guys skin. Now good. Now look here all.
बोलिए जरा
And play.
पेपर लियो.
So guys, we will do the trick now. Okay? It has been 6 minutes already. Let's go. Now, if we can be in any time. The second trick is you have to stand over sorry, it was the wrong trick. This is the trick. You can. Oh. Oh, I got it. One mistake. I got it. One mistake. God, why did I just do that? I don't know why did I just do that. Okay. Party. And I will start it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, now go here. And to know the diamond trick, it is very hard to do. Let me show you it. So don't be scared. But you have to go over the purple line and survive. This is called a diamond trick. And I don't know how to do it. So please get these tricks and learn them. You have to learn them because in your usage when you are on God you are going to die. And this is the stop trick. Stop. Yeah, when you are stuck or you cannot the edge of the block, a stop trick can come into your hand. So see what is a stop trick. There is one trick more left in this block. So what is a stop trick actually? We will go over here and jump. We have to go over the platform. video here. So bye bye and use the code PROBRO wallet. Bye.